Hello, my friends. I want to ask you a simple question. Do you ever feel like your brain is just tired? Maybe you walk into a room and forget why you are there. Or perhaps you feel a constant low hum of anxiety that you just cannot shake. You might think this is just a normal part of aging. I am here to tell you that it is not. There is a secret switch inside your body. It is a chemical signal that tells your brain to stop aging and start repairing. Most people do not know how to flip this switch. They go through their entire day breathing in a way that keeps their brain in a state of stress. This stress destroys your memory. It spikes your blood pressure. It ruins your sleep. But today, I am going to show you how to use your breath to send a powerful signal to your brain. This signal tells your nervous system to heal. It floods your brain with fresh oxygen and blood. It lowers your blood pressure immediately. The best part is that you can do this while sitting in your favorite chair. You can do it while watching television. You can even do it lying in bed before you sleep. Let us look at the science first. I want you to understand why this works. Your body has two modes. The first mode is called the sympathetic state. We call this fight or flight. When you are in this mode, your body releases cortisol. This is the stress hormone. It is like driving your car with your foot on the gas pedal all day long. The engine gets hot, the parts wear down. This is what happens to your brain when you breathe shallowly through your mouth. The second mode is called the parasympathetic state. This is the rest and digest mode. This is the repair mode. This is where the magic happens. When you are in this mode, your brain cleans itself. It repairs the neurons. It consolidates your memories. The problem is that most of us are stuck in the first mode. We are stuck on the gas pedal. So how do we switch modes? The answer lies in a tiny molecule called nitric oxide. You may have heard of it. Nitric oxide is a vasodilator. That is a fancy word. It just means it opens up your blood vessels. It makes them wide and relaxed. When your blood vessels open up, the blood flows freely to your brain. It carries oxygen and nutrients to the places that need it most. Here is the secret. You produce nitric oxide in your nose. You do not produce it in your mouth. When you breathe through your mouth, you are robbing your brain of this healing molecule. But when you breathe through your nose, you increase nitric oxide production. And there is one specific way to breathe that boosts this production by 15 times. Yes, you heard me right. 15 times more healing power. I'm going to teach you this technique right now. We call it the humming breath. It is very simple. It involves inhaling through your nose and exhaling while making a humming sound. That vibration is the key. That hum physically shakes the sinuses. It forces the nitric oxide to release and travel into your lungs and blood. Please, sit up straight in your chair. I want you to be comfortable. Do not strain. Relax your shoulders. Let them drop down away from your ears. Good. Now place your tongue on the roof of your mouth right behind your front teeth. Keep it there gently. We are going to take a slow, deep breath in through the nose. We will count to 4. Then we will exhale through the nose while making a low humming sound, like a bee. We will do this for a count of 7. The sound should vibrate in your throat and your face. Let us try it together. Inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale and hum. Feel the vibration. Keep going. And relax. Did you feel that tickle in your nose? Did you feel the vibration in your head? That is a good sign. That vibration is stimulating your vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is the main highway for your rest and repair system. When you hum, you are sending a direct message to your brain. You are telling it that you are safe. You are telling it to lower the cortisol. You are telling it to start repairing. Let us do it again. I want you to close your eyes this time. Focus entirely on the sound. Inhale deeply through the nose. Fill your belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale and hum. Let the air leave your body slowly. Push all the stale air out. Good. You might notice that your mind feels a little quieter already. That is the nitric oxide working. It is opening the capillaries in your brain. It is like opening the windows in a stuffy room. The fresh air is rushing in. I recommend you do this for just 2 minutes a day. That is all it takes. You can do 5 repetitions in the morning to wake up your brain. You can do 5 repetitions before bed to ensure a deep, restorative sleep. If you have high blood pressure, this is a miracle worker. By relaxing the blood vessels, you take the pressure off your heart. The blood flows easily. Your heart does not have to work so hard. It is the best natural medicine you can give your cardiovascular system. Now I want to share a second part of this technique. This is for those days when you feel extra anxious or stressed. Maybe you saw something on the news that upset you. Maybe you are worried about a family member. This variation will calm you down in seconds. We call this the double inhale. It is very specific. You will take a long breath in through your nose. Then, at the very top, when you think your lungs are full, you will take one more tiny sniff of air. Then you exhale slowly through your mouth. Let me explain why this works. Your lungs have tiny sacs called alveoli. Sometimes these sacs collapse when we are stressed or sedentary. When they collapse, your blood oxygen levels drop. That double inhale pops those sacs open. It increases the surface area of your lungs. It dumps carbon dioxide out of your bloodstream. Let us try this together one time. Breathe in through your nose. Fill the lungs. Now take one more sharp sniff. Sniff. Now exhale slowly through your mouth like you are blowing out a candle. Whoosh. Do you feel that? It feels like a weight has been lifted off your chest. This is a tool you can use anytime, anywhere. You do not need a pill. You do not need a doctor. You have the power to repair your body right inside your own lungs. I want you to make a promise to yourself. Promise that you will take care of your brain. It is the most precious asset you have. When your brain is healthy, your life is vibrant. You can enjoy your grandchildren. You can pursue your hobbies. You can live without fear. Start with the humming breath. Do it every single day. Make it a habit. Maybe you do it after you brush your teeth. Maybe you do it while your coffee is brewing. It does not matter when you do it. It only matters that you do it. Your body is designed to heal itself. It wants to repair. It just needs the right signal. You now have that signal. Use it wisely. I hope this information helps you. Please share this with your friends and family. There are so many people suffering from stress and memory loss who could benefit from this simple technique. Help me help them. Leave a comment below and tell me how you feel after trying the humming breath. I read all your comments and I love hearing your success stories. Make it a great day. I wish you and your family many blessings.